back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a review slash on the new Melisa. Her collection is just really nice and really good. So first I want to say that I never knew Melisa Michelle until I saw this collab, and I actually started watching her YouTube channel. That kind of sounded like stalking-ish, if that's even a word, which I don't think so. Anyway, so yeah, I started watching her channel. Oh my gosh, she seems so nice, so genuine, and just so fun to hang out with, and I'm just so excited, so happy for her that she did this collab. I understand that she did another collab last year with Ulta as well. I'll go ahead and put a picture up here of her last palette, and I don't have that palette, and I don't know if they still have that palette. I haven't even looked and see if they have it. Their colors are just so beautiful, and I'm just so excited. I get so excited when gals on YouTube or anyone on YouTube that does collabs with big companies. That's my goal one day. Hopefully in the future that will happen to me one day. So this is the look. So this is the look that I came up with. I wanted to do green from that palette. It looks just so gorgeous. This is her palette. We're gonna start with this guy. This is a beautiful packaging. It's like my favorite color. It's like rose gold and sparkles on it. And her name is on here, Melisa Michelle. And the name of the palette is Bling on the Glam eyeshadow palette. And in the back, it gives you a little info about the palette and a pretty picture of her. I love that this palette was affordable, and I love that it came with a mirror. You know, there's a lot of palettes that come with the mirrors. See, this is the excuse the mess if you could see any mess there. So that's the mirror, and then whoops, and then it comes with a brush, this one, which we'll go ahead and talk through about that brush. So this is her palette. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, her colors are just beautiful. I just love it. I did see her video on you know, on her announcing her collab, and she did mention that she wanted to do this one for like nighttime, you know, girls night out or romantic night out or whatever. I think it was really nice. So all her shadows are really beautiful. There's 5 mattes, 2 shimmers, and 2 metallic, 3 creamy glitter eyeshadows, 1 creamy glitter foam tip applicator, and 1 glitter liquid liner. I also wanted to mention the thing that was really cute is that she named her shadows after her family and after the things that she says, like, hey guys, dude, like, bro. And you know, it's just so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a next clip of all the shadow swatches. Now, she did mention that swatching them on the arm does not mean that it's not gonna go well on the eye, which I will go ahead and show you guys my tutorial. And it's so true. Like, they do have a lot of pigmentation, but they also have quite of a fallout, so you have to be careful with that. The glitters have fallout, so I recommend to do your eye look before you do your foundation, because I had a lot of fallout, and I used one of her darkest shadows, which is Dude, on my outer V, and that one had a little bit of a fallout on my cheek. It does come out, but I mean, it's just the fallout that I really don't like. It's worth it. It's a beautiful color, and I just love it. First swatch we're going to do is Rotor Man. I feel like it's like a peachy color, but she mentioned that it has a pinky undertone to it, and I do see that when I swatch it, and it's just a pretty color. And then the next one is called 100%, which is like a nudish pinkish color, like a mauve. It's so pretty. I love it. And then the next one is Hey Guys. This is a shimmer. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I mean, this palette is so versatile. You can wear it so many ways. Alright, and the next one is Boo Bears. I love that name. I feel like I'm going to call my husband that, Boo Bears. But it's so pretty. It's like a brownish with pink undertone to it. And the next one is Florida. With that one is another like a darkish mauve-ish color, and it's just so gorgeous. You can probably even wear this on its own. It's just so pretty. I love it. All right, the next one is more of a darkish purplish color. It's called Oi. I love it. I just love it. It's more of a darkish purplish color, which is so pretty. I actually put that on my outer V, and it applies so smoothly. I hardly had any work to do on the blending, which is fabulous. And the next one is Dude, which is a gorgeous color. I used it on my outer V, and it blended so nicely. The next one is Twinsies. That is the same consistency as Dude, and I think it's such a gorgeous color. It also speaks for itself. Oh my god, isn't that gorgeous, you guys? I just love this palette. Going on to our 3 glitters. The first one is Manifest. Now, she specifically gave us the brush for these 3 glitters. When you apply with the brush, it's like so precise. So if you want a precise look with these glitters, use the brush. And if you really don't care how you want to apply your glitter, apply it with your finger, which it applies very nicely as well. And the next one is called Bro. Oh my god, that one looks so gorgeous. And that one, I tried to swatch it on my hand with on my finger, and all I got was just separated glitter, but it's so pretty though. It's like a light glitter. And then I want to go ahead and swatch it with the brush, and I got the same results. Maybe it will work better if you wet your brush using Bro. And she also did say that these glitters are mostly toppers, but you can also wear them, you know, as eyeshadows. And then the last one is Criss, which is the green one, and I'm wearing that on my lid, and I just think it's a beautiful color. It went out so perfect with the brush, the one that she provided, and I feel like it works better. Even if you want to try it with your finger, it probably work well too, but I recommend to use the brush that she provided. Now the green shadow is like a regular shadow in her palette, but this one has more like a duochrome. It has bits of gold specks in it, which is so beautiful. I feel like it's perfect for the holidays and fall that's coming up. I totally recommend this palette, you guys. You guys need to get this palette. Need to get it. It's so affordable. It's beautiful. And lastly is the glitter liner. Now the glitter liner has a different colors of glitter. It has like a blue and like green and rose gold and pink, and I could have sworn I saw some red in there. I don't know. What do you guys think? And she also mentioned you can wear this all over your lid, which, oh my god, that sounds like so much fun. And yeah, it's so pretty. Moving on to the Melisa Bling on the Glam face palette, and this is a highlighter and a blush palette. I mean, look at that. This just is so cute. Oh, I love it. Okay, and it also comes with a mirror, you guys. Isn't that, I mean, what else can you ask for? And this one retails for $15. So awesome. You know, it comes with the mirror, and it comes with 2 like neutral-ish blush colors. Now also she did mention this color right here is called Mahal. She did have that blush on her previous palette, and then she added this blush color called Maganda. It's like a more peachy color-ish, if you would say. And this one also is like a pinkish, like a neutral pretty pinkish color, and I think they're just both so beautiful. I love neutral blushes, that they're not too crazy looking or too, I don't know, I guess I have to play with blushes more. I guess I'm a little scared to use like really pink blushes or really coral blushes. I'm really more into the neutral blushes. I don't know why, that's just my favorite. And we also have 2 highlighters up here. I used this one up here, and I felt like it gave me, it's a gorgeous color, but when I applied it with my brush, especially with this one, Anastasia A23 brush, I feel like it picked up glitter and not really like highlight, if that make any sense. But it's so pretty. But it's kind of glittery, and it does have quite of a fallout as well. I have like glitter on my hair. This one is a gold one, and it's also really nice. Usually golds and kind of this color, they're really one of my favorites. And she also said to mix the two highlighters. Actually no, she mixed them on her tutorial, and I ended up doing that on my left cheek, because on this cheek I only did Land's color, and I felt like it didn't give me that oomph that I wanted, so I mixed two colors, and I got this with both of them. So I ended up doing the same thing with this one, and it works great. So we'll go ahead and show you a swatch picture on here. I think they're just so beautiful and affordable, and you should get your hands on it. Now this first swatch is so buttery. Oh my god, her matte shadows and her blushes are so buttery that, oh my god, they pick up so much pigmentation and they blend so beautifully. The first one is Maha, and that's her blush, again, that she had in her previous palette with Ulta collab. A lot of people like this blush, and I don't see why not. It's just a beautiful pinkish nudish color. It's so gorgeous. Next is Land's, which is the highlighter, and that is like a pinkish highlighter, and it also has a kind of iridescent color to it, it's just so pretty. Next is a Bubs, and that's a gold color highlighter, so pretty as well, and that one has like a iridescent as well, like a gold and like a yellow. I don't know, you have to see it to believe it. It's so pretty though. But these two highlighters combined, girl, they're so pretty if you like this combo. And lastly is Maganda, and that's like a peachy neutral blush. It's gorgeous. I love it. Alright, moving on to her lippies. The first lippy set I'm gonna show is called Spicy, and the colors show more on the bottom here. Now for this one, the lippies retail for $12.50 each, and they're just so pretty. This calls fall color already. She did mention in her video as well that she wanted to match this lippy color as best as the lipstick color. I think she did a great job on doing that. So this is the lippy from Spicy, and it comes like that. It's just a pencil like that, and it does not twist up, I think. Does it? No, it doesn't. Also, you can wear this on its own, but I feel like you should probably wear it as a lip liner so you won't finish it faster. I think it's just a gorgeous color to keep. And this is the lippy. I mean, look at this packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my god, rose gold is one of my favorite colors. And this is how the lipstick looks like. I'm actually wearing Dainty, and they're actually not drying, over drying. They're like really comfortable to wear, and they're not sticky at all, which I love. And this is Dainty. Now Dainty is going to be different. The lipstick itself, it's more like pink. Yeah, this, I don't know why mine came really, I don't know, weird. I think mine broke because you could hear it. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah. And there's like a piece of lipstick stuck on my cap. But anyway, so the lipstick, it's more pinkish nude, and the liner is more of a neutral-ish brownish color. And when you mix these two together, it gives you like a perfect, pretty nude color. It's just a great combination that she came up with, which is awesome. And I love it, and I'm wearing that right now. It's not too dark. It probably looks dark on camera, but in person it actually looks pretty neutral to me. I mean, how neutral can you go? But anyway, I really like this color. It's one of my go-to colors. I haven't tested this out, but I will play with them. And this is Spicy. I mean, I think it speaks for itself. It's a gorgeous maroonish color. It's so gorgeous. I did not get to play with this one when I was doing my look. Again, she did say she wanted to match as possible the lipstick with the lip liner, or vice versa. But I think they come out quite similar, and they're just beautiful for fall now that's coming up, and Christmas time, you know, the holidays. I can't believe it's coming up already. I think they're just so pretty and non-sticky again, and they're just gorgeous. Girl, you need to get these. Get these, girl. Now this one is Dainty. Dainty is what I'm wearing on my lips, and it's just so gorgeous. And if you match it with the lippy that came with it, it has a different color to it, as you can see. That one is more of a brownish neutral color, but when you combine these colors together, as you can see on my lips, they come out so pretty. Not too dark, not too light, and they're both so comfortable to wear on the lip, and they're not over drying, and they're not sticky. They're just, it's so beautiful. And lastly, she came out with lashes, and her lashes are $7. I mean, really, you can't beat that price. And it's just gorgeous, and I'm wearing them right now. I love them. I love that they are a thin band. I cannot do a thick ass band because they make my eyes feel really heavy and like really shut. Like, I feel like they shrink my eyes, and for some reason they make me sleepy. Isn't that weird? I think because they're so heavy, I just want to close my eyes. It's just weird. I used to have, I think I mentioned this in another video, but I used to own a thick band eyelashes, and they were pretty, but I can't remember which ones were they, but they were so pretty. But I couldn't wear them because they were so thick, and the band was so thick, and I just couldn't wear them. But anyway, her lashes are gorgeous. They're a thin band. They're very comfortable to wear. I mean, you can wear them as a glam, or you can wear them as neutral, probably just with no shadow and a beautiful spicy lipstick. Oh my god, girl, that would look so bomb. I think they're just gorgeous, comfortable, and worth to try. I think that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, my loves, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I love you, and see you in the next video. Bye, loves.